Most businesses don't have a design problem, they have a communication problem. Why? You see, the moment a potential customer comes across your flyer or your website, the first few seconds, the first few things they see have to actually grab their attention in order for them to purchase. I'm Omoniyi, a graphic designer and a front-end developer. Over the years, I've come to discover that good visuals doesn't just look good. The attention to detail, the layout, and every structure is what actually matters. As a co-founder myself, I've come to conclude that a good product does not just have to persuade. The detail, ranging from the user experience, every button is intentional. How I approach projects. Basically, I approach every project with intentionality. Whether it's from designing a landing page to designing your social media graphics flyer, I make sure I put in every detail. I position myself as the user. I bring myself as the user to make sure if I were the user, I answer some of these questions. If I were the user, how would this feel? Would I actually buy this product? That's how I position myself. So if you are looking for someone who fits right into all of these key details I've just mentioned, then consider me as your next partner on your next project.